This is how to make the Hackworth's editing thumbnail tutorial. First, you're going to go to the shape ellipse tool. Then you're going to put a blue oval right here. Then using the text tool, click here. And hold on, let me shrink this down with holding Alt and then just moving the mouse to make it shrink. Just change the color to a black for now. Then type this. And now we're going to change it back to white. And move it right here. And then shrink it. Now we're going to use another type of shape tool. This time it's the rectangle tool. Only this time we must turn it to the yellow. Then put the rectangle right here. Now we're going to do another type of text, but this time use a black text with, I'm going to call this a thumbnail tutorial. Now these layers right here, every time you type something and press enter, they will go from layer 1 to whatever you've typed, like thumbnail tutorial, for example. I'm going to use the words thumbnail and tutorial as an example of this episode, like we're the actual first episode. And now I'm going to bring up a random image. Hold on. This arrow, for example, I'm going to shrink it down. I'm going to pretend that this is the... I'm going to straight up pretend that this is the thumbnail inside. And there we go. That's how you make the Hackworth's editing thumbnail. Bye.